Alright, everyone, it is time for Fatal Blow. The pay-per-view is finally here, and get ready for this epic night of fun matches. And here comes our FAA Tag Team Champions, Dr. Facilier and Scar. They will be defending them against Beetlejuice and Agent Smith of the Brains of Chaos. We all saw Punch on Thursday. We had the epic battle, and Beetlejuice and tapped out to Dr. Facilier in the match, and the Sons of Nightmares were victorious in the big six-man tag team match. The Sons of Nightmares defeated the Brains of Chaos. Hopefully, the Brains of Chaos could bounce back and win the tag titles here tonight. They hope to make Ujubuju proud and defeat the Brains of Chaos. Oh boy, and here comes their enemies. And here they come. Agent Smith and Beetlejuice.
It's a big time opportunity, Byron, as the title will be on the line here. You're right, Michael. And judging from the response on social media heading into this match, we're likely to see a new champ crowned here tonight.
This will be Extreme Rules. Anything goes. Which means weapons and everything. So we can make this match more interesting and bloody. Oh, that great title. Which one of these two is walking out with these belts?
The tag team champions have discussed everything it will take to keep their titles here tonight. The time to execute that game plan is here now.
And the match begins. And they all start going at it. Oh, Beetlejuice tries to hold Star, and Agent Smith tries to get Dr. Facilier, but Dr. Facilier spins him around. Beetlejuice grabs Star. Clothesline! Dr. Facilier knocked Agent Smith down. Big drop kick off the middle rope to Beetlejuice. Oh, Agent Smith grabs Star. Drops him. Beetlejuice throws Dr. Facilier in the turnbuckle, choking him out. Oh, golly. And Agent Smith has Star in the armbar. They are not holding anything back. Oh, Star throws Agent Smith down. Oh, Beetlejuice grabs a chair. Back. Oh, tries back. Dr. Facilier with it. Dr. Facilier knocks out his hands. Oh, Star kicking Agent Smith. Agent Smith throws Star over the ropes and out of the ring. Oh, Dr. Facilier running with the chair. Tosses it at Beetlejuice, knocking him in the head. Oh, takes Beetlejuice's head, leg, kicks it in. Oh, Dr. Facilier throws Beetlejuice into the steel steps. Oh.
Nothing was being held back with each of those strikes.
Agent Smith rolls over on Dr. Facilier, punching him repeatedly. Beetlejuice throwing Star on the steel steps multiple times. Agent Smith tosses Dr. Facilier back into the ring. Oh, Beetlejuice grabs the sledgehammer. Punch. Oh, Beetlejuice throwing all kinds of attacks. Oh, throws Dr. Facilier down, drops a stomp onto his face. Oh, Beetlejuice grabbing a hold of Dr. Facilier's arms, pulling them hard, looking to damage him in any way possible. Beetlejuice tosses Scar into the barricade. Oh, drops a splash onto him. Agent Smith grabs a kendo stick. Oh, big dive right onto Agent Smith by Dr. Facilier. Oh, Beetlejuice chops Scar right in the head. Oh, drop kick by Agent Smith to Dr. Facilier. Beetlejuice tosses Scar back into the ring. Oh, Dr. Facilier throws Agent Smith down. Big power punch to Beetlejuice by Dr. Facilier. Oh, Scar finally hits out of the ring. Grabs the sledgehammer, looking to go and help Dr. Facilier. Bashes Beetlejuice. No, misses. Beetlejuice knocks the sledgehammer out of his hands. Dr. Facilier grabs a trash can. Smashes Agent Smith's face on it. Bashes Agent Smith a bit. Oh, Beetlejuice grabs another. He said, screw it. Oh. Scar throws Beetlejuice aside. Oh, Scar tosses the chair at Agent Smith. Oh, Dr. Facilier drops Agent Smith down and just kicks him in the back. Oh, Beetlejuice drops face first on the apron. Oh, Beetlejuice choking him out and headbutts him. Tosses him into the steel post. Oh, Agent Smith bashing them both with the sledgehammer. Boot kicked Agent Smith by Dr. Facilier. Dr. Facilier tosses Beetlejuice. Pulls Agent Smith up. Punches him. Oh. Oh, Agent Smith grabs Scar. Big suplex. DDT. Scar lifts up Agent Smith. Powerbomb onto his knees. Oh. The Facilier grabs Beetlejuice, lifts him up, drops him on his knee. Dr. Facilier lifts Agent Smith up, drops him. Scar tosses Beetlejuice. They're all just really battling each other here tonight. All for the tag titles. Oh, Agent Smith has him in the chokehold outside of the ring. He needs to be inside the ring. Big boot kick by Scar. Scar tackles Beetlejuice, punching him repeatedly. Tosses Dr. Facilier to the steel steps. Oh, lifts him up. Tosses him over. Oh, Oh, Anderson knocks him down, and Beetlejuice throws a stop sign right onto Scar. Suplex to Scar by Agent Smith. Good move. Oh, Dr. Facilier lifts up Agent Smith. Beetlejuice tosses him back into the ring. Slam drops Dr. Facilier back first. Chop. Punch. Power slam. Oh, Agent Smith grabs a hold of Scar. Oh, Dr. Facilier kneeing him in the stomach. Oh, blood force trauma to Scar by Beetlejuice. Southern Nightmares are weakening here tonight. Oh, Dr. Facilier grabs a hold of Beetlejuice, tosses him back into the ring. Ah, Agent Smith slams Dr. Facilier. Oh, tosses a candlestick into Dr. Facilier's head. Oh, tosses Beetlejuice into the steel steps. Big clothesline by Agent Smith. Chop. Kick. Chop. Oh. Oh, Beetlejuice tosses Dr. Facilier back into the ring. What's going to happen next? Punch. Another chop. Oh, picks him up. Grabs him by the throat. Oh, elbows him to the face. Big clothesline to Dr. Facilier. Big flying elbow to Scar. Oh, trying to go for a splash, but Scar stops him. Oh, Scar does it from the throat. Choke slams him onto his knee. Goes for the pinfall. 1, 2. Oh, Beetlejuice kicks out. Oh, each step grabs Scar. Big suplex. Oh, blood force trauma to Dr. Facilier. Goes for the pinfall. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Dr. Facilier kicks out. I thought we were going to have new tag team champions, but I guess not. Oh, Dr. Facilier kicks into Beetlejuice's leg. It just hits back into the ring. Oh, Dr. Facilier knocks Beetlejuice off the ropes. Agent Smith has Scar, but Scar beating him, breaks out of it. Beetlejuice knocks Scar down. Punch. Dr. Facilier grabs those Beetlejuice over the ropes. Oh, he grabs Dr. Facilier, grabs him in the chokehold. Will he tap? Will Dr. Facilier tap out? Dr. Facilier taps! He taps! We have new FAA Tag Team Champions! Congratulations to them! The Brands of Chaos have brought gold to the team. a very great start to Fatal